In this video, I will show you how to record Gusto payroll in QuickBooks Online. First, log into your Gusto account. At the bottom left corner of the screen, click on App Directory. Once you're in, scroll down until you find QuickBooks Online. Then click Learn More. Next, go ahead and click Connect to QuickBooks. A new tab will open. Enter your account details and sign in. Now choose the QuickBooks plan you want to connect with, like Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, or Advanced. Once your plan is selected, authorize the connection between Gusto and QuickBooks. After that, just follow the setup prompts to map your accounts and sync payroll data. From here, Gusto will automatically record payroll in QuickBooks Online, keeping your books updated without extra work. And that's how to record Gusto payroll in QuickBooks Online.